Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's been on everyone's mind lately. Passive income. Yep, we're talking about that magical stream of money that flows in while you're out there living your best life. So, buckle up and let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom together. First off, let's break down what passive income really is. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income keeps the cash rolling in even when you're not actively working. Think of it as planting a tree. You put in some effort at the start, but once it grows, it keeps bearing fruit without much more from you. One popular way to generate passive income is through real estate. Whether it's rental properties or real estate crowdfunding, the key is to invest wisely and let the properties do the work for you. Just imagine getting those rent checks every month, adding to your income without lifting a finger. Now let's talk about dividend stocks. When you invest in companies that pay dividends, you're essentially getting a share of their profits. It's like being part of a club that pays you just for being a member. The beauty here is, with the right choices, your dividend income can grow over time, compounding and boosting your financial health. Another fantastic avenue is creating digital products. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even software. You put in the effort once to create something valuable, and then it keeps selling over and over. It's like having a little sales team that never sleeps. Let's not forget about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services you believe in, you earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. It's low maintenance and can be incredibly lucrative if done right. And finally, there's the world of automated online businesses. From e-commerce stores with dropshipping models to subscription-based services, the options are endless. Automate the processes, and your business can run itself while you focus on scaling and strategizing. Remember folks, the key to unlocking passive income is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different streams, invest your time and resources wisely, and watch your financial freedom grow. So, start planting those seeds today, and soon enough, you'll be reaping the rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on entrepreneurship and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, everyone.